Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik here, and in our today's video, I am going to do the analysis of reasoning ability paper, which was asked in TCS NQT May edition examination. So friends, as you all are aware, so paper was not very tough. The only thing was the time limitations, right? So there was time boundation or time limitations for each one of the question, and that is what created too much panic in the exam for the student. So friends, now if you want to crack TCS examination, then two things plays very important role. So one is the speed and the other thing is accuracy, because when your speed is more, that time definitely your accuracy will reduce. So friends, we need to maintain both. And how will you get a speed? So you'll get a speed only when you know the shortcut methods to solve the questions, and when you have done enough practice. So friends, now TCS has changed the pattern, and with the changed pattern we cannot do anything. The only thing is we need to get the speed and we need to get the accuracy, so that we will be able to score more and more in the examination. So with time limitations we can easily come over with the shortcut techniques, practice, and definitely you will be getting speed and accuracy, which will help you to clear the examination and stay ahead with all your competitors. So friends, in my all live classes I teach in the same way, so that you do not have to worry at all. Just a practice you need to do. And one more thing friends, I have noticed always that when the exam date will come, that time a student will start the preparation. Friends, you do not do that, okay? So you start your preparation before only, so that you'll have enough time to practice and then do well in the examination. Because you cannot ask, you cannot tell TCS to change the paper, right? Change the pattern. What you can do is you can prepare according to the examination. Now, so let us start with the question number one, which is a syllogism question, right? So Venn diagram, we will be using it here. So friends, I always have a argue with the student whenever I solve syllogism question, because the basic concept of syllogism many are not aware. So let us see question number one. Some coins are pennies. Okay, so this is my coins and pennies, right? So this is how we draw. And all pennies are notes. So all pennies are inside the notes. Okay, and then conclusions are some notes are coins. Yes, we could see. So some notes and coins are crossing each other. So we can say some notes are coins. All coins are notes. So if you want to say all coins are notes, then be very clear that all the coins will be inside the notes. Okay, so that is also not here. So this second conclusion will become wrong. Then all pennies are coins. So all pennies are inside the coins? No, it is not there. See, you know that, right? All pennies are coins means we should be able to see like this, which is not there here. So only conclusion one follows. So that's a simple question. But friends, I see in the comments many students will be mocking that, sir, you are taking so much of time. I am not solving here, I am teaching. So please try to understand. So they will simply put the comments whatever you want, but please try to understand, I'm teaching here, I'm not solving the problem. Otherwise all these problems will be taking hardly 30 seconds to solve it. Okay, question number two. So the following Venn diagram gives data collected from 300 members of a sports club who plays various sports. So friends, there are three sports are there: boxing, badminton, and tennis. They are saying there are total 300 members are there. Okay, so there are total how many members are there? Total 300 members are there. They are asking what is the percentage of members who play badminton. Okay, so friends, there are two concepts here. If they're asking you, so what is the percentage of member who play badminton, and if they ask who play only badminton, so this is two questions. Okay, so these two are two different question. Okay, now, so when they say who play badminton, means they're talking about this complete circle. So there are few people who plays only badminton, and there are few who plays badminton, boxing, who plays badminton, tennis, and boxing, and who plays tennis and badminton, right? Okay, so total circle we need to consider. So it will be 75 plus 12 plus 11 plus 10. Okay, now if they would have asked who play only badminton. So this particular 75 members is nothing but who play only, okay, so only badminton, they play only badminton. So be very clear with the basic concepts, that's all, nothing else is required. Now, so this will be nothing but, so 85 plus 23. So 85 plus 23 will be 108 by 300, and definitely you need to calculate the percentage. So multiply by 100. 2020 cancelled, and 3 3 is a 9 and 3 6 is a 18. 36%. Option D will be the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, friends, if you have any doubt, I always try to clear, and I always teach in such a way that you will not have any doubt, but any further doubts will be definitely taken care in the comments. Okay, friends, this question was little complicated, I will say. So this was not very much straightforward. Okay, so what is the wrong term in the following series? So whenever this wrong terms comes, no, that time definitely you will have to struggle a bit. Okay, so if they ask fill in the blanks, that will be little easier. But when they ask, okay, so when they ask wrong term in the series, that time it will become tough, right? Okay, now let us see. So DIKE. So friends, let us start from here. So TP, okay, so all the first letter will have a combination between that. So D E F G, so plus 3, H I J K plus 3, L M N O P plus 3, P Q R S T, so it is plus 3. Then O to T, so O, right? So if you remember, MNO, O P Q R S T, okay, so it is nothing but plus 5, right? Okay, then if you'll see, so T2I, so T U B W X Y, so it is again plus 5. Then again Y to D, so if you'll go back, so Y Z A B C D plus 5, and then D to I, so D E F G H I, so again plus 5. Okay, like this. Now third one, so here only we will be finding out a mistake here. Okay, so I will just try to arrange it. Okay, fine. Now M to S, so M N O P Q R S, so it is plus 6. Then S to X, so S T U B W X, so it is plus 5. So basically here it should be what? Here it should be Y. Okay, so here only this mistake is there. So here we are getting plus 5, but here basically should be Y. And then if you'll see Y to E, so Y Z A B C D E, so here it will be plus 6 if this is Y. And then again E to K, so E F G H I J K, so it is plus 6. So this is only mistake here in this. So L Y X M, so instead of L Y X M we should have L Y Y M. So option A will be the correct answer for this wrong term in the following series. So now friends, question number 4. So question number 4 is a very good question, and I know in this question, so there will be many students who will have a argument with me. So friends, I am ready to have a argument with you, but before that I just request you to go through this particular syllogism basic videos so that you will have less confusion, because syllogism is not a very straightforward topic. Okay, now, so friends, before solving this question, I just wanted to tell you, so first you look at the options. So in your options, if you have either or conditions, then be very clear that your answers is going to be one of that. Friends, it is not 100% true, right? But according to my experience, in 99% cases, so when in option you will have either or, then only, so when your answer will be either or, then only it will be there in the conclusions. You can see question number 1. So question number 1 we have no either or. That means it is very clear that these questions will have answers not in either or, right? Okay, so this will give you a hints. And friends, that is what I teach you in live classes, that how to identify and eliminate the options. Okay, so you can say 1 and 3 will not be your answer, so only with either or will be your answers, and that too also we will be able to eliminate it very fast and very soon. Okay, now, so friends, as you know, you need a speed and accuracy in your examination. So now you need to be very smart while handling the questions. So let us start with the questions. So all balls are spares. So all balls are spares. Okay. So all balls are spheres. Fine. Okay. So in exam, you can only write B and S. No bat is a sphere. So bat and a sphere, there is no relation. Okay. Then, so bat and a sphere, there is no relation. Then some rackets are bat. So some rackets are bat. Okay. Some rackets are bat. And then all rackets are long object. All rackets are long object. Okay. Now, friends, so this is suppose I am Pratik and I made a diagram like this. Now, suppose someone else, what he or she will do. So he or she will make the diagram like this. Okay. So this is my bat. Okay. So some bats are rats. Okay. So some rackets are bat. Some rackets are bats. And friends, I will tell you. So you can make any number of diagram. Your the only thing your statement should not violate. Okay. So now you see how I am making this diagram. So I am making this diagram like this. Okay. I'm making this diagram like this. Okay. So some rackets are bad. Some rackets are bad. Okay. No problem. Fine. It is not violating any of your statement. And all rackets are long object. All rackets are, so all racket will be inside. Okay. So all rackets will be inside long object. Okay. So this is one diagram which is made by someone else. And this diagram is perfectly all right because it is not violating any of the statement. Always remember, if it's violate any of the statement, in that case only your diagram is wrong. Otherwise, no. Now, so first one, some spares are long object. So a space is here and long object is here. You can see there is no relation. In this particular diagram, you can see there is a relation between space and long object. So definitely we are not able to decide. So in this case, this will become false. Okay. Then no racket is a ball. So racket is here and ball is here. We can see it is crossing some step. And in second diagram, it is not crossing. Both the diagrams are correct. Both we have to take care. So this will again become false. Some long objects are bat. So long object and this is bat. It is sharing some of the parts. So this is yes, correct, because some long objects are bat. Now friends, blindly you can say, sir, the third, sorry. So the second one will be your answer, right? The second one will be your answer because now either for 2 and 4, one of will be correct. So only 3, only one is not true. So 3 is true. So we can say this will be true. But anyway, I'll verify the other parts. Some rackets are balls. So rackets and balls. So in this diagram, racket is crossing balls. But in this diagram, racket and balls, there is no relation. So we will again say that this is false, right? So the basic has to be very, very clear. Then only you will understand, because a person can draw two diagrams. But most of you will say some rackets, no racket is a ball. So sir, racket is here and ball is here. There is no relation. So this will be true. No, this will not be true. Most of you will say this is true. No, this is not true, because we can have multiple diagrams, okay, based on the statements, and we will see that the direct relation between racket and ball is not given. So we cannot conclude it is true or false. Now we will have to check for either or condition, okay? Because in the option it is there. See, we know the answer, right? I have already told you, but again, we will see. So either or condition, the first condition in either or will be subject and predicate should be same. Subject and predicate means what? So see here, racket, ball, and here racket and ball. So subject and predicate is same. So the either or condition will come in picture in between 2 and 4. Second thing, both should be false. So you see, second one is also false and fourth one is also false. Third one statement should be positive. I mean, one conclusion should be positive and one should be negative. So this is positive, some rackets are balls. And this is no means negative. So all three satisfying. So this is a either or case. So only 3 and either 2 or 4 follows. So friends, definitely this kind of questions you need to understand so that you don't do the mistake, and it will not take that much of time, because I'm teaching you here, and already I told you trick to eliminate the options, so you could have easily eliminated. You would not have run behind this either or condition. So friends, like this I teach in live classes, and friends, do not rush at the time of exam. Please start your preparation before. So if you guys really want to have live classes of a month, then please put in the comment box and I will definitely have a live classes for 1 month, and I will cover all these parts so that you get speed, you get to know how to eliminate, and you score more and more in any kind of examination. So now speed and accuracy plays a very important role. Question number 5. Question number 5. Do you see any either or? No. That means you do not have to think anything about either or condition. Some cushions are sofas. So some cushions are sofas. Okay. I'm not writing the full forms with. All sofas are foams. So all sofas are foams, and all foams are polyfill. Okay. So all foams are polyfills. Okay, so this is what my diagram is now. So let us see one by one the conclusion. Some polyfills are cushions. So polyfills and cushions, yes, there is some part which both are sharing. So yes, some polyfill are cushions. Then some foams are cushions. So some foams are cushions. So foam is here and cushions is here. Yes, that is also correct. Some sofas are cushions. Yes, sofas and cushions are also sharing. Some cushions are polyfills. Yes, so that is also said. That means all conclusion follows. Okay, I will tell you one more thing. So whenever you see in the option, friends, it's all my experience because I have a teaching experience of 10 plus years. Okay, so all based on my experience I says. So whenever you see all conclusion follows, that means you keep in mind that in 90% of the cases your answer will be all conclusion follows. Okay, see, you just go back. Did you see all conclusion follows? No, so your answer will not be all. You again go back. Did you see all conclusion follows? No, your answer will not be all conclusion follows. So friends, trust me, the if you'll practice more and more, and if you'll be with me in the classes, then I will tell you how to guess and how to eliminate. These are the actual questions of TCS NQT May edition. You can verify from the PDFs. Okay, now friends, question number 6. So question number 6 is right. Okay, so this is a data sufficiency question. So this is the data sufficiency question. Okay, so what will be the sum of two numbers x and y? So they wanted x plus y is equals to what? Okay, and you have been given three statements, so you need to combine 1 2 2 3 and all three. So based on that you need to give your answers. Okay, so let us try to solve statement 1. X is greater than y plus 8. So I can write one equation, x is equals to y plus 8. Okay, I don't think you should have any problem here, right? X is equals to y plus 8. X is 8 greater than y. Okay, now 30% of y is equals to 20% of x. So I can directly write 3y will be equal to 2x. Now if you will be at my place, what you will do? So you write 30% means 30 by 100 of y will be equal to 20% of x by 100. So 100 cancel, 0 cancel, 3y will be equal to 2x. Now you have two equations and two unknowns. You will be easily able to find out the value of x and y. Do not try to waste your time. So you can directly tick statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. Some of you will be having in mind, sir, what about 2 and 3? You didn't even check. Okay, see, that is not required to check because we got one option 1 and 2 with and from there I could see here I will write y is equals to 2x by 3. Okay, right? So y will be equal to 2x by 3. So x is equals to 2x by 3 and plus 8. So this is not required. I am unnecessarily doing it for you. So x will be equal to 24. X is 24, then y will be 16. 16 plus 8 will be what? 24. They're asking the sum. So sum will be equal to what? 40, right? So 24 plus 6 is 30 plus 10. Okay. Now third equation. So the ratio between 1/3 of x, okay, and 1/4 of y is equals to 2 is to 1. So I could write x by 3 into 4 by y will be equal to 2 is to 1. So 2 2s are, so 2x will be equal to 3y. Okay, so this equation and this equation both are same. When the equations are only same, we will not be able to calculate the value of x and y. So you can blindly say, sir, statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. So friends, I know in this particular 6 questions, okay, we did. So many of you would have done small mistakes. Okay, and that happens because when you have more speeds, even when you are having a bike in your hand, so when your speed will be more, definitely you will be doing more mistakes. And friends, I'll be doing all the problems of TCS NQT. aptitude and verbal ability, reasoning and verbal ability will be done by Tanvi ma'am. But it's very difficult to type all the questions, okay, and then record the videos, edit it, provide the solution. We really put a lot of effort from our side, friends, trust me. So please do like, share, subscribe, and friends, please comment below if you wanted to have 1 month live classes or maybe more than 1 month of the live classes and wanted to get everything from the basics and to get speed and accuracy. So I'll be definitely starting a live classes, and our prices are very less, so it will be started only in 200 or 250, something like that. So it depends upon the duration. So thank you friends for watching the video. Keep loving, keep sharing, and yes, keep gaining knowledge.